Hello, folks. Apart from addition of two question types in speaking tasks, Pearson is about to make few other changes also from 7th August onwards. We can segregate, identify these changes as change in the exam format, change in the each activity type, and scoring criteria. The scoring criteria we can classify in two ways, like change in the interlinked skills, activities, and the rubric also, how they are rating or essay writing and describe image and so on. Let us take an example that a difference to my previous video about how to rate essay writing. There I have discussed that essay writing was rating out of 15 points, but now onward they will rate out of 26. Let us start the discussion in detail. All this is new format of PTE Academic Exam. Here you can see that in speaking test, there are total 7 activities, but I want to reveal you that out of 7 activities, only 6 activities will affect your speaking score, not 7 out of 7. What one is that here which is not affecting your speaking score? Like the first activity is read aloud, second is repeat sentence, describe me, detailed lecture, answer short question, summarize group decision, respond to a situation. The total 7 activities, but only 6 activities are affecting speaking score out of 7. So which one is not here? When we continue with the video, I will discuss in detail also. Going ahead, there is no changes in the writing test, like some written test and essay writing, but definitely they are not introducing or eliminating any activity, but they have changed the rubrics also, the rating criteria, and the number of activities also in the writing test. And the reading, the same, and the listening is same. But there are changes in the interlinked skill in speaking and listening tests. Now, how to grasp these changes to avoid the dilemma in the mind? I suggest you forget the old format. Okay, do not make a comparison. This was the old, this was the new. Let us grasp the new format intensely. And if we talk about that, what activities are affecting our speaking score? So these 6 are here. Number 1, read aloud will affect our speaking score. Repeat sentence will affect. Describe image will affect. Retail lecture will affect. Summarize group discussion will affect. And respond to a situation. But answer short question will not affect your speaking score. Despite this, the part of a speaking task, but it will not affect speaking skill. So this was one change, and other changes here that now onward read aloud will not affect your reading score. Again, I am saying now onward read aloud will not affect your reading score. This is the format of your listening test. Actually, the entire is PTE Academic Exam. And here you will see that total 12 activities will affect your listening score. Means these 12 activities will contribute your listening points on the base of your performance. If you want to make a comparison, then earlier these were 11, but now these were 12. And now you will see here that despite the answer short question is the part of the speaking test, but it is not affecting your speaking score. It is affecting only and only listening score. Yeah, earlier it was affecting both listening and speaking, but 7th onward, it will affect only and only listening score. 4 activities in speaking test and 8 activities in listening test are contributing in listening skills. Now move on the next skill, that is writing skill. In writing skill, Now, seventh onward, only four activities will affect the writing communicative skill, writing skill. But earlier, one activity from the reading test, name fill in the blank and drop. Earlier, its name was reading writing. And one activity from the listening test mode, like listening fill in the blanks. These activities also were affecting our score, but onward, only four activities. Means you add some write written text, essay writing, dictation, and some write spoken text. These four will affect your score of writing. So easy. The next skill is reading communicative skill. And onward, on earlier, the read aloud was contributing reading score. Yes, earlier, the read aloud was affecting reading score. Despite this was a part of the speaking test, but onward, yes, on their new rubric concept, only 8 activities will contribute reading score. One from the writing, that is some write written tests, all the 5 activities of the reading, and 2 activities from the listening test will affect the reading score. So some write written tests from the writing test, multi-choice single answer, multi-answer, reorder paragraph, and both type of fill the blanks from the reading test, highlight correct summary and highlight incorrect word from the listening test. These 8 activities will affect the reading score. Why it is important to know that if the person is struggling to enhance the reading score, means the person need to focus on all these 8, not the only of a reading test only. Okay. Now, let us discuss in detail how the number of activities of each question type change. So now you are aware with the new format of the exam that they have introduced 2 activities. Now you are aware that how they have changed the interlinked activities also. Now, 2 more things need to know. Number one, that the rubric, that how they are rating your essay writing, and number two, the number of activities of each question type. Now we are about to discuss the second point on the first, that number of activities of each activity. Like earlier, the writing was not confirmed that it may be it was maybe it might be earlier writing was not confirmed. There it might be one summary written test or 2 summary written tests, one essay writing or 2 essay writing. It was not sure, but now onward it will confirm. So let discuss the discussion about the number of activities. If you have any question in your mind, any doubt in your mind, then you can type in the comment box, or you can WhatsApp me directly also to the number given here. And seeing as that the video is going very long, I will develop the concept of the PTE reading test and PTE listening test in the next video. So therefore, I request you, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that you will get the update as well as I upload the and furthermore information about this exam. And do not forget to share this video with the other people, your friends, relative also you are preparing for the PTE academic exam. And please like this video. And I am will discuss the rubric also in the next video. So what you want to get earlier? The rubric, how to read essay writing, the rubric, how to read a describe image, or the format of the reading and listening test. What would you like to get on the priority? Please mention on the comment box and I will record the session as per your requirement. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for your time. See you. Waiting for your comment and your support.